This is our project plan. Good morning everyone. We are here to present our project titled by Basic Music Theory, Major Minor Scales, and Chord Progression Training Workshop. Basic music theory knowledge of the praise and worship musician members of GMBT District 2 in Davao City.
Proposed problem question. These are the 5 questions that we've gathered. Number 1. What do the praise and worship member of GMBT churches in District 2, Davao City know about basic music theory? Number 2. Which musical instruments are used by the praise and worship musician? Number 3. Which musical instruments are used in your church? 4. How did the members of the praise and worship musician learn the instrument? And lastly, number 5. How long have the members been part of the praise and worship team? Survey facilitation. Collected data via survey through sending hard copy from musician members of GMBT District 2, Davao City. We used questionnaire that can address their problems. So these are our survey demographics. Total respondents 11. Rules musicians, 2 bassists, 3 drummers, 3 keyboardists, 3 guitarists. Age range 16 to 20 plus. 10 males and 1 female. Years in ministry 1 to 7 years. So these are the survey results. Heavy reliance on self-taught or informal learning, 5 self-taught, 3 church mentoring, 3 out of 11 don't know note values. From 4 out of 11 don't know song structure. Fall into I've heard of it rather than understanding and applied concept. 10 out of 11 and often always interest in training workshop. 8 out of 11 yes, prioritizing chords, note and reading. So these are the project that we are going to propose. Basic music theory, major, minor scale and chord progression training worship. So it helps the musicians, members of GMBT churches to unify their sound, improve communication, and lead worship more effectively. It addresses the specific need of foundational skills like major, minor scale, and chord progression, which many team members lack out but are eager to learn.
Objectives. Skill developed. The participants gain ability to identify the scale of each key using this formula. Rhythms in 4/4 and 3/4. Construct major and minor chords. And effectively using these skills during their individual practice and apply it to their worship services. Number 2, boosted confidence. Shift from 45% slightly not confident to proficient application during service. Implementation overview. Ask permission from the seminary director of the NTS and also ask permission to their pastor to those members who join in the workshop. We give them letter of permission, prepare materials, prepare instrument and venue. Project cost. Whiteboard marker 2 pieces, 30 pesos unit cost, total of 60 pesos. Snack 15 pieces. Unit cost 30 pesos. Total of 450 pesos. Handout 10 pieces. Unit cost 50 pesos. And total of 500 pesos. So declared project budget 1,500 pesos. So our source of funds allowance. So note, the project will not incur any expenses, thus it will not need funding.
For the conclusion, the project intends to address existing knowledge gaps identified in the survey and improve the overall worship team's musical capacity, leading to better coordination and more confident worship leading.